So Sophie's here, and Koenig's here, but Koenig's in his crate and hasn't got to say hi to her. So I thought I'd video the insanity. Live? Yes. But that's it, guys? You're just gonna let Sophie spin in a couple circles? You're not gonna run around? Who is it, Koenig? It's your buddy. Go on, dogs. Go on. Room. There they go. Whoa, there's one. Ah, there's two. Hi, go. Sophie, you're so silly. Please don't knock over my tree.